Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Your Life Care. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects many of us, insomnia. If you've been struggling to get a good night's sleep, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing natural tips and techniques to help you cure insomnia and finally achieve the restful sleep you deserve. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our wellness content. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Understanding insomnia. Before we get into the solutions, let's quickly understand what insomnia is. Insomnia is a sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or experiencing poor sleep quality. It can have various causes, including stress, anxiety, lifestyle habits, and medical conditions. Number 2. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Our bodies love routine, and sleep is no exception. Set a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and improve the quality of your sleep. Number 3. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Creating a calming bedtime routine can signal your body that it's time to wind down. Start in soothing activities like reading, gentle stretching, or listening to soft music. Avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime, as the blue light can interfere with your body's production of the sleep hormone melatonin. Number 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in your sleep quality. Make sure your bedroom is comfortable, dark, and cool. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and consider using blackout curtains to block out external light. Number 5. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help calm a racing mind. Try deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a more peaceful state of mind before bed. Number 6. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Intake caffeine and alcohol can disrupt your sleep patterns, so it's best to limit them, especially in the afternoon and evening. Opt for herbal teas like chamomile or valerian root, which have natural calming properties. Number 7. Regular physical activity. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime, as they can be stimulating. Number 8. Manage stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are common triggers for insomnia. Consider journaling, talking to a therapist, or practicing relaxation techniques to manage these feelings and create a sense of inner peace. Number 9. Herbal remedies and supplements. Certain herbal remedies and supplements, like melatonin, valerian root, and lavender, have been used to aid sleep. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before trying any new supplements. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to curing insomnia naturally. Remember that overcoming insomnia takes time and patience, so be consistent with your efforts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. If you have any personal tips or experiences with curing insomnia, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a future filled with restful nights and rejuvenated mornings. Stay well rested and take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.